There's so many people sharing research-based information that they learn, but how do you know what is actually credible? Research is conducted at a bunch of different types of institutions, but typically universities. So universities will have different research groups headed by a PI or the principal investigator. Under them, they have postdocs, staff scientists, graduate students, undergraduate students conducting these research projects. And when you finish a research project, you write it up and you submit it to a journal. There are different journals and there's peer review systems. So these journals will send the articles to get reviewed by other researchers in that field. And generally, I think the higher impact journals are going to have a more rigorous review process. There are things like Science, Nature, JACS, not to say that other journals aren't credible. The next thing you can look at is the number of citations in that journal article. I feel like this is another form of peer review. So other researchers will cite that research article in their research paper. They might have tried a method or used information. It's kind of validated it. So I think the impact factor of the journal, the number of citations, and also the credibility of the research group. The corresponding author is typically the principal investigator. Some of these PRs are really established and respected in that field, have conducted research in that area for years. And so I think this is another level of credibility to the research being published. But even after all of these checkpoints, you should always be skeptical of what is being published because research articles are retracted and changed all the time. Always be skeptical and look into the sources that people are referencing.